Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how regular people are making $10,000 a month with meme coins, and they're not gambling or even trading on these random tokens, but it's by launching the realm. Now, before you think it sounds too technical or it sounds like an absolute scam or rug pull, it's not. You don't need to be a coder, you don't need years of experience, and you don't need a big budget, and you don't need to rip people off. You just need to understand how meme coins are created. Now, obviously, a lot of meme coins are created on a daily basis, all around viral trending tweets, or they could be around some trending narrative or just some different type of meme. But these developers who are actually creating these meme coins are making a ton of money. Now, when I first started doing videos on this channel, I was really against the creators of the meme. One of the main reasons why is because the main reason why people were creating the meme was literally just to rug pull. But that's all changed recently. The only reason why this has changed recently is because PumpFun has done a brand new update where instead of giving people the base standard creator rewards that they were given, they've now times that by 10. So every time people trade your meme coin, you will get some type of fees if you are the creator of that meme coin. Now, recently, PumpFun have updated it so you get 10 times more, like I just said. So that means if you were a developer that was making $1,000 from these creator rewards and creating meme coins, then now you're going to be making $10,000. So this has minimized a lot of the rug pulls within the meme coin space. Obviously, you've still got people who are rug pulling. And even with this method, you could decide to rug pull it as well if you wanted to, but I wouldn't really recommend it. The main reason why I recommend doing this is obviously you can get a bit of money from selling it and buying it in early yourself, obviously by developing it, but obviously for the creator rewards that you get as well. The creator rewards is the main reason. Now, obviously the platform that I'm on right now is called rapidlaunch.io. There are a few of these different platforms that are about right now, and this is how you can launch a meme coin. These have got like built-in Twitter trackers, so you can literally wait on this rapid launch until you see a massive tweet. So what you can do is wait on this rapid launch until you see a tweet that you want to deploy. All you got to do is go over to it, and if you think it's a trending narrative and you want to be one of the first people to actually launch this meme coin, you go onto it. Let's say Bank of Montreal cuts a sector. You think this is going to be, it's obviously not, but let's say you think it is going to be. All you got to do is click deploy on that button, put in a name, bank crash or whatever, put in the symbol, the ticker. You can put a website in if you wanted to, and then you can buy in. So once you connect your wallet address to this or deposit some money to the rapid launch wallet address, you can then buy into your own token early. You can create it, and if it kicks off, then you can sell that money. Or there's little different things that you can do with this. You can dump the tokens after the creation just for pump fun, or you can use multi-wallet features where you can have bundle wallets and sniper wallets, different wallets than not your own developer wallet, buying in automatically at launch. Now, people do this sometimes just to put the volume into the token in the first place, but a lot of the times it's just so you can actually buy in yourself and make some more money from it. But that's how simple it is to actually launch the meme coin, and it doesn't cost much in fees. It is literally like 0.000 something Solana, so like literally a couple dollars or even if that. Now, if you're someone who's never traded meme coins before, then this is one of the best ways to make money as a beginner because you're minimizing the risk. If you think about it like a casino, the players come and go, but the house always wins. And when you're the creator of that meme, you are the house. Every time your coin gets traded, you're earning fees and rewards. Unlike traders, you're not risking big amounts of money hoping a token pumps. You're profiting from the activity itself. What you're really doing here is tokenizing memes, trends, news stories, or viral moments. You're not selling fake tech or false promises. Now, what actually makes a good meme coin work? Especially if you're a beginner, just because you can launch a coin doesn't mean you're always going to make money from it and that people will buy it. Good meme coins have these 3 ingredients. The first is timing. You need to ride trends while they're hot. This is why it's important to go on places like this rapid launch, because it's the fastest way to launch a coin as soon as you see the tweet. Now, this can be quite competitive as well, because if you're going to try and deploy a trending meme coin, then you've got to think about the thousands of other people who are also on this site and sites that are similar, waiting for a trending narrative to pop off. So you've got to be really quick with this. That means being glued to these Twitter trends. And not only that, what a lot of people are actually doing really well at the moment is they're glued to TikTok as well. They're seeing the new trends that are popping off on TikTok, new narratives that more people are reposting and starting to become viral. So if a viral clip or meme is exploding and you're one of the first to catch it, get a coin out fast. If the coin has to tell a story, it could be a joke about a celebrity, a viral video moment, political event, or even some type of nostalgic meme. I'll sort of wrap it all in a nice bow on a good example that was done this morning, one that I traded, got a nice little 3 to 4x in between that. And I think it was called Pepe Face or Pepe Coin or whatever. And all that was obviously it's a nostalgic meme. The Pepe thing is a massive meme within the crypto space. And here's a good example of one that might actually do well. And what happened was there was a protest in Portland. So a lot of people got arrested, some big figures, including one of Elon Musk's friends. And that coin did well. I can't remember his name. It was something like Free Nick. That coin started to do decent. Got into that early. And then another example of one that did well was someone was dressed up as a frog. So obviously someone decided to actually create a meme coin around that because it started to go a bit viral, obviously in the crypto space because the Pepe meme is so prevalent. And obviously that piggybacks off of an already trending political event that was going on. So that's a recipe for a good winner. And this is a tweet that is a recipe for a good winner as well. The one on Rapid Launch, it's just popped up. This is why Rapid Launch is so good. Diddy unveils bizarre documentary pleading for his freedom that presents disgraced rapper as saintly do-gooder. Now, this is absolutely comedic and funny. And if this has just come out, this is brand new news. Someone has likely already done a meme coin of it. And this is an example of the type of story that will do well. It only came out 10 minutes ago. And it's an 11-minute clip. So what people would then do is watch this 11-minute clip because obviously this is a trending narrative. If there's something meme-worthy within this 11-minute clip that Diddy does, then this is likely to go viral as a meme coin. If people start reposting and going, why is Diddy being like this? It's a talking point. On the internet, if they are going to be talking about a certain narrative and it's going to get people talking, then it's going to be trending as well. So then people, all the meme coin investors will then be going on to Action Pro, all these different meme coin platforms and finding the meme coins that are relevant to that trending story the minute that they see it. So if you're the first to deploy it, you're going to have so much volume coming into your token if you were the first original one. Presentation is a massive factor as well. You don't need to overthink it. Don't overlook the visuals. It just needs to be funny. It needs to be a funny name, a catchy ticker, and a good profile image. And if it was something based on a narrative like that one, for example, if you're going to be watching that Diddy 11-minute clip to see if there's something meme-worthy in there, then it's just getting a screenshot of that, reposting and deploying it as a tweet. So going back to that Daily Mail tweet that before, just clicking Diddy. If you lose it, just type in the keyword and it should come up. The newest post should come up. Then you deploy that token, have a screenshot, but then you deploy that token, link into that X post. Then you'd have a screenshot of Diddy doing stupid within that 11-minute clip, a funny name and a funny ticker, and that's something that's not going to go viral. And that's what I think works really well. There's a lot of different types of coins that you can launch, and I think the tweet plays do really work well. You just have to be one of the quickest on there. Coins based on viral tweets or Twitter memes, they can be harder to compete because obviously you've got a lot of people wanting to launch them, but you've also got bots that scrape them instantly. But if you find something that's overlooked and you're one of the first on there, there's a massive opportunity. Then you've got cult coins. So a lot of people will form a community. This is one way that you could do it. You could create a meme and then you're encouraging people within that community to join a community and grow that token, especially if it's something that's quite funny and people can repost quite easily. Then they're more likely to do it, especially if they're an active crypto investor. The news and trend coins is what works really well. So those and the tweet plays just go hand in hand, really. Tokenizing those breaking news and viral moments, they always do well. They're not really as long lasting. It depends on obviously the breaking news or the viral moments, but those are the types that will always get a lot of volume in the beginning phase. And those are the ones that I really look to invest into. If I see a trending meme or trending news, anything else like that, those are the majority of the tokens that I will then invest into because I know a lot of incoming volume is going to go onto that, especially if I hear a story first on. There's so many examples within the meme coin space. One of the biggest meme coin winners that I ever got, it was only from a couple $100. I made 30 grand in a couple hours investing into the Luigi Mangione token. It was when he was arrested and his name was put out. It was already a trending story within the internet. His name gets put out, and then there's obviously a lot of money to be made because a lot of people are then putting volume into that. I think it went to a 60 million market cap in like a night or something. Made a lot of money. I was absolutely buzzing. And there's been so many different cases. That was a massive meme coin bull run. So the volume was there and it was quite lucky as well. But then there's been so many other cases, Tyler Robinson coin, that happened, Charlie Kirk shooter, that horrible person. But when his name come out, obviously, then people were investing because volume's coming into it. And there's been so many other examples of when brand new, fresh news comes out, like Elon calling out Donald Trump. And there's been so many of those narratives that I've been doing throughout the past year that have made me so much extra money just from being one of the first to buy into it. So if you're one of the first to deploy it, imagine how much money that you can make with the creator rewards as well. Do you know what I mean? Especially with the advanced creator rewards that are happening right now, where you're getting paid so much more. The best part of launching coins is how low risk it actually is. Now, obviously, you can deploy by just going onto one of the tweets, or what you can do if you're creating a brand new community type thing, then what you can do is click this button right here, which launches a brand new fresh token. Obviously, you just find the image, then get like a link to X. Obviously, that's needed. I reckon a Twitter post is always needed. You can have a website as well if you want to, but it's completely optional. It's not needed. I recommend as well, if you are going to be starting a meme coin, right now, at the time that I'm doing this, PumpFun meme coins are always performing the best. There's a couple others that you could do as well, but right now, that's what I suggest you should do. The best part about launching there's so many great features behind doing this. You don't need to rug pull. You're going to be making money from the rewards, and it doesn't cost you next to nothing in the beginning phases. You can use this initial money to then put some aside to invest into more meme coins or just launch more meme coins. There's a massive opportunity that can be done for pretty much anyone out there. And because you're a creator, you get the first option to buy before the public. That means you can seed your own coin with a small amount. And as soon as people start trading it, you can take some profit without rugging anyone. You don't have to put loads of money in. You can put a couple sol in if you wanted to, or even less. You're still going to be making a massive amount of profit if the coin does well. And then once you've launched a few coins, you'll start to see the patterns, what kind of memes work, what communities buy, and what dies instantly. You might fail with your first couple of tokens, but you don't have to worry too much. You're not putting in too much risk. The money that you put into that token, let's say you put some money into the token in the first place, and no one buys into your meme coin token, and no one decides to sell it, because no one's even decided to buy into it at the beginning. All you got to do is just, especially if it's not performing well, you can just sell and take your money out. You're not losing pretty much any type of money whatsoever. I've left a link in the description below to Rapid Launch. In my opinion, this is one of the best ones to be able to launch a token. You've also got other ones like UXento. I'm going to put UXento in the description as well, just because if you really want to just decide, the reason why I'm putting this one in as well, you can launch coins. It's pretty much similar to Rapid Launch, but it's good because there's so many different features of UXento that I use on a daily basis, like the bundle checker that you can assume. It also shows you the Discord alpha groups, all of them, and what tokens they're buying into. So if you just want to be able to do everything and in one place, you want to trade meme coins and launch them, then I recommend go to this one as well. If you found this video useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to us for more trading content. We don't just do meme coin content, obviously. We look at Forex, gold, prop firms, and drop a comment if you want me to do a full video where I try and make the most money possible launching these meme coins, just so you can get an idea of the type of narratives and the type of coins that will work well. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.